Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add audio in your CapCut video. So for this you can easily select the audio option from the CapCut, and here you will get some pre-installed audios. And for example, here is the music option, and here you will get some music, and you can easily download it from here and directly drag it to the edit option. Now second thing is that there is also the sound effect option, the new physical and other options are there. You need to download it first, then you can easily add to your project. So now if you want to add your customizing audio, then what you need to do is you have to download the audio in your computer first. So in my opinion, I would like to use the Pixabay website. Here you can see the website, and here you'll get lots of background music and you can easily download one of them. So for example, I would like to download this one. You have to simply click on it and it will automatically get downloaded and started to get downloading. You can see the music is getting downloaded. So now if you want to import the music in your project, then what you need to do is click on the media option here and then click on the import, and then here we will get the music here, and then you can easily import it to your project, and then you can drag it to the place where you are going to edit the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in the next video.